John had always been a hard-working man, but he had never felt the kind of pressure he was under now. He had taken out a huge loan to start his own business, and things had been going well for a while. However, the last few months had been tough, and he was struggling to make ends meet. He had to cut back on everything, from his own salary to his employees' wages. He was constantly worried about how he was going to pay the bills and keep his business afloat. The stress was starting to take a toll on him, and he found himself unable to sleep at night. As the months went by, things only got worse for John. He had been unable to secure any new clients, and the existing ones were cutting back on their orders. His debts were piling up, and he was constantly getting calls from creditors demanding their money. He had to lay off some of his employees, and the ones he kept were working longer hours for less pay. He felt like he was drowning, and there was no way out. He stopped answering his phone and stopped opening his mail. He knew that he was on the brink of losing everything he had worked so hard for. One day, John woke up to find that his business had been shut down by the authorities. He had failed to pay his taxes, and they had come to collect. He had no money, no job, and no prospects. His wife left him, and he was left alone in his apartment, surrounded by bills he could not pay. He felt like his life was over. He had lost everything he had ever cared about, and there was no way to get it back. He thought about ending it all, but he couldn't bring himself to do it. He was stuck in a never-ending cycle of debt and despair, with no way out. It felt like heaven had collapsed on his head, and he was powerless to do anything about it.